Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to buy cryptocurrencies using a bank account in Trustee. Whether you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum or other coins using a bank card is one of the fastest and easiest ways to start trading crypto. So make sure you watch the video full to avoid mistakes and fees. So first you need to open to the Trustee Wallet app on your phone and make sure your wallet is set up or restored and you're ready to transact. So you need to select one of the instruments over here. It's either USDT, BTC, Ethereum. You need to simply select one of the crypto for the Trustee, and after that you can tap on the buy and copy your wallet address for the coin you purchased. You can go to the exchange, you can select the withdraw or send and paste your Trustee wallet, and when you tap on the buy you'll get an option to purchase coin like Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT. You can select the coin you want to buy. You can choose either bank card as a payment method. You enter your card details, card number, expiry date and CVV. Trustee uses secure payment providers like Simplex or MoonPay to process transactions safely and confirm the transaction and complete any OTP verification from your bank. And after confirmation, the crypto will be credited directly to your Trustee wallet instantly and you can check your balance on the main screen. That's how you can buy crypto via bank card in Trustee. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.